The LCI-CPD certification is the first lean certification that I'm aware of, at least, that is specific to the design communities. Once you pass the test, you get approved to submit a portfolio and answer a bunch of written questions about your actual experience on an actual project in lean design. So I don't think there's a way to fake it. I think you have to have been involved in actual implementation of lean processes on an actual design project to be able to credibly answer those questions and to be able to submit the portfolio. It's a lot of work, but I'm almost glad it's a lot of work because it will keep you from being able to fake it without having to prove that you've actually done it. I think the certification could benefit me in the long term if it enables me to get to work on more IPD projects, more lean projects where the owner buys in on that process and we all get to be on a team together. If it seeds more of those projects in the future of my career, it will be worth it.